Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some science experiment. Do you know why something float and something sink? We're going to learn these stuff in this video. So we have this small tank and we have filled this with water, okay? If you don't have this tank, you can use any ball. And we have these bananas. Bananas are so healthy to eat. Just like my brother, he always eats gappa gappa. Don't have this stuff, you can use anything. So you need grapes, okay? And take an avocado, okay? And I got an apple, okay? And I have lemon, and I have a big tomato and a small tomato. And over here is a lot of things. In this bowl, we have 2 eggs, some block, a pretend apple, 3 balls, and we have some markers and some choppies. Okay, we have some plastic spoons and some metal spoons, and we have the fun part is for kids, it's blocks. We have ABCD blocks. And you guys are going to like this. It's a rock. And we got this. These are pebbles, okay? And these blue ones are so shiny. Look, you can also see my face. Let me get a closer look. See? Let's start now. I'm so excited for this process. Aren't you? Yes? He says yes, nodding his head. Okay, now I'm going to use ball and lemon. First, if I drop this, I'm going to ask my brother, what is happening?
Floating. It's going to float.
Wow. You see, these are plastic balls and they're floating. Now let's use lemon. Sour lemon, I don't like lemon. Let's see. We're going to put on the top, okay? Sinks or float. I see it wants. Oh, it sinks! Oh, if the lemon is floating or sinking?
Sinking.
Yes! Objects that are more dense than water, they sink. Objects that are less dense than water, they float. Lemon density is more, so it's sinking. So the plastic ball's density is less, so it's floating. Now let's use some other object. Let's use this plastic spoon. Let's see whether it floats or sinks. Is the plastic spoons sinking or floating?
Floating.
Yay! Great job! Let's use the metal spoon and see. Wow! Did you hear that sound? Did the metal spoon sink or float?
Sink.
Yeah, great job. Can you see this? The plastic spoon is floating and the metal spoon is sinking. Let's use some rock and pebbles. Blue one. Oh, it sinks. Let's keep doing it.
Let's do yours.
Is the rock is floating and the marbles are floating or they're sinking?
Sinking.
Yes! A round of applause! Now let's try this paper boats. they're floating.
Floating.
Yeah. Can you see this paper boats are floating? That is because density of paper is less. Also, can you see the rocks are sinking? Because density is more. My brother is using a plastic apple and I am using a real apple. Let's see whether it sinks or floats. Let's put my brother's first. Oh, cool. Can you see the apples are floating because it has less density than water. Now let's put the bananas, healthy bananas. Uh-oh. Come on. They float. Can you see also the bananas are also floating? Now let's use the avocado. Let's drop it in. Be careful. You might split it just like my brother. Whoa. No, not it. Wow. Those are healthy fruits. They make you healthy. Can you see the avocados also floating? Now let's use the tomatoes. Let's put it in. Are the tomatoes are floating or sinking?
Sinking.
Yay! A round applause. Okay, so now we're going to try the healthiest fruit, grapes. Okay, let's put this in. They also sink. Woo! You can see some bubbles, guys. Tomato and grapes are sinking and the avocado is floating, so that the banana and apples are also floating. Now me and my brother are going to use these eggs. Real eggs, but you need grown-up's help for this because what about the eggs break, huh? Oh, they didn't crack. Can you see the eggs are sinking? Wow. Now let's use these plastic eggs. No, you want. Oh, good. They float. Plastic eggs are floating and the real eggs are sinking. Now let's use these wooden blocks. Let's drop it. Woo. Whoa, they float, guys. Can you see the wooden blocks are floating? Wow. Now let's use these blocks. Wow, they also float. I can't see. It also floats. Can you see the markers are also floating? You chop it. It sinks. Hooray! Can you see the choppers are sinking? Can you see the wooden block and the blocks? And the markers are floating and the choppers are sinking. Now I'm going to use this car. My brother has a plastic car and I have a metal car. Let's drop it in. This is Zuma. Can you see the metal car is sinking and the plastic car is floating? Isn't it cool? Some stuff float and some stuff sink. That was cool to know. If you had fun doing some science experiment about floating and sinking with me and my brother, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos and don't forget to hit that this in the bell. Also, please like and share. Bye. Bye.
Bye.